of my eyes. I can see, yeah, I can see the rainy day, sitting in the chair of my cool room, looking for a way to be the one who I am. Useless to cry for the things I want to know, thinking it'll come back and reach my home. It's like a distant face. It's like a shadow, a shadow on my wall. You know, it's something that I can touch. Heavenly voice that calls, shelter on my mind. That's my love and my tears, but I keep on looking for a reason which is not here.